Hello and welcome back to my channel Willet's World, and welcome back to this Thai Trains and Railways. If you can hear me above all the traffic, because I'm right in the middle of Bangkok city, and this is the old Bangkok station. This is called Hua Lamphong. I say old station, there's a new station that's opened up, all fancy, looks like an airport terminal more than a station. That opened up late 2022, but this station is still open for now at least. And it's just doing local services, local commuter trains, and also trains on the Eastern Line down to places like Rayong and Pattaya. As we're going around the station, I'm going to tell you a fair bit about the history, because there's quite a lot of history associated with this station. It is the old mothership of Thai Railways after all. Plus we'll have a quick look in the museum, and also it's the 126th anniversary all this week of the State Railways of Thailand, so there's a few things going on inside. I'm expecting to see a couple of old steam locos there, and some model railways as well, I think I read. So let's go and take a look around. Hua Lamphong was originally the informal name for the station as used by locals and tourist guides. Its name originates from the green plains that once were found in the area and used to graze cattle. The station first opened on the 25th of June 1916 after 6 years of construction during the reign of King Rama V, who was a big champion of having railways in Thailand. The site of the railway station was previously occupied by the National Railways Maintenance Centre, which was then moved to Makkasan. The station was built in an Italian neo-Renaissance style, with decorated wooden roofs and stained glass windows, designed by Turin-born Mario Tamagno. The station was initially a combined station that transported passengers as well as goods, but the transportation of freight was later moved to Bang Sue Junction. During World War II, the station had its own air raid shelter outside, which was turned into a fountain after the war. The station was scheduled to be closed in 2021, when it was due to have been converted into a museum. However, it's been given a reprieve since the planned SRT Dark Red Line hasn't yet been built that will eventually connect it with Bangkok's new terminal station, Krungthep Apiwat Central Terminal Station. All long-distance trains were moved from here to terminate at Krungthep Apiwat. Prior to the shifting of services to the new station, Hua Lamphong used to serve about 200 trains and around 60,000 passengers each day. So when I was here 4 years ago, there used to be a whole load of seats here in the middle, because back then it was obviously the only Bangkok station, long distance station. Now we got the new station at Krungthep Apiwat. There's far fewer services coming out of here now, so fewer passengers. So on display here today, they've got a few prestige carriages which you can either rent out, or if you've got a special excursion, you'll be in one of these. So I'm really happy to see this. This is a Japanese train that's only just come to Thailand late last year. I'll put the name up on the screen of what it's called. But it's such an interesting looking thing. I'm so glad to actually see it, because I've seen so much video and photos of these. They've become a tourist attraction in their own right. And these again just do special excursions at the moment. I don't know if there's any future plans for these just to do regular services or not, but they're very popular. Just a way out there looking train. and that's where I'm going to leave off this video for now. If you like it, then give me a big thumbs up, and why not subscribe to my channel down below. Until the next video, see you later.